Let's talk about automation and AI now. Python can be used to perform both automation and AI. Automation is replacing or minimizing manual tasks. You remember we used to have traffic police, but now those are replaced by traffic lights. That's a classic example of automation. In our career in data science, we take decisions regarding automations. There are things that you should automate and there are things you should not automate. For example, in one of my previous roles as a data scientist in a company, I used to report on various marketing campaigns using dashboards. And there were some campaigns which were recurring campaigns, and there were some which were one-time reporting kind of campaigns. And I had to take a lot of decisions regarding dashboards on which I needed automation and dashboards that did not need automation. Since automation is a labor and time intensive task, so we need to be very careful about things that need to be automated and things that don't need to be automated. Now let's talk about AI. AI is training machines to do complicated tasks. So automation is one of the byproduct of AI, but AI is a broader term. We have more expectations from AI to do bigger tasks, to solve bigger problems. In this course, we will learn Python, which can be used to perform both automation and AI. And learning a programming language like Python is a great asset if you want to move to an automation and AI career. So there is another reason for you to learn Python.